How to fix WeChat app not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix WeChat app not working problem. So guys, you have to go to your settings, click on settings, and now you have to go to install apps. Here is it, click on install apps, and now you have to search for WeChat. Click on WeChat and you can see force stop button. Click on force stop button and press OK. And now you can see storage. You have to click on storage and you have to clear all the data. Go back and you can see app permission. Click on app permission and allow all the permission. Now you have to restart your phone and reopen the app. The problem will be solved. Thanks for watching.